Welcome. If you want to play Amazon Music on your Amazon Echo Studio, at first you have to open Amazon Alexa application and then you have to click to link music services when you are in the Home tab. Right now we have to select Amazon Music. And right now we are able to ask our Echo to play music. And also you have to go for the App Store or Play Store, depends on the device that you use. So in my case I'm on the iPhone, so I'm gonna go right here and we have to get this application, Amazon Music. So when you download this application, you can simply open it. For sure you have to log into your account, that's very obvious. And when you're in the application you have to hit the right upper corner and click to connect to a device. And select your Amazon Echo. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, so we can finally play our songs. As you can see, that's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.